A lot of people have started adding vegetables and fruits to regular drinking water, and one of the more popular things people add are cucumbers, thus making cucumber water. You are probably aware that drinking cucumber water over plain water is a lot more flavorful and healthy. But there are even more reasons to make a whole pitcher of this refreshing beverage. So join us today as we discuss the reasons to start drinking cucumber water. Cucumber water is one of the most potent hydration mixtures in infused water recipes. It also has a delicious and refreshing taste. Although the exact origins of cucumber water are uncertain, the health spas in North America and most of Western Europe are mostly credited for their help in spreading the custom of adding vegetables to drinking water. You can infuse the cucumber overnight, at which point you should remove the cucumber from the water. You may safely keep your infused water in the fridge for up to 2 days. Cucumber water is a simple and inexpensive method to improve a regular glass of water. It also has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. There is absolutely no need for a recipe to make cool cucumber water. It's quick and simple to make. But cucumber water has many more health advantages besides just being cheap, tasty, and being more nutritious than regular water. Before we continue, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now off to the reasons for you to start drinking cucumber water. Number 1. Cucumber water improves bone health. Vitamin K, which assists in delivering calcium to bones, is abundant in cucumbers. Feel free to munch on cucumbers in your glass of cucumber water, as just one unpeeled cucumber contains roughly 22% of your daily recommended consumption. Cucumbers also include the minerals silica and manganese, both of which strengthen your bones and perhaps reduce your chance of getting osteoporosis. Number 2. Cucumber water reduces inflammation. It is well known that cucumbers and their juices have anti-inflammatory qualities. These qualities are also ascribed to cucumbers' abundant supply of antioxidant vitamins, minerals, and plant components. An overreactive immune system, which may have an impact on many physiological systems and promote the onset of illness, is the source of chronic inflammation. As a result, controlling oxidative stress in the body also brings down chronic inflammation. Enabling improved system function encourages greater health of the body. Number 3. Cucumber water aids in weight loss. Drinking cucumber water makes you feel full, which makes you waiting for your next meal more tolerable. This is one of its finest advantages. You might not be able to overcome your between-meal cravings by drinking only plain water. But drinking infused water might fool your brain and stomach into believing you've had a snack, which makes you less likely to go for a bag of chips in between meals. Number 4. Cucumber water may help prevent cancer. According to a study, cucumbers may aid in the battle against cancer. Cucumbers include cucurbitacins, a nutritional group, and antioxidants like those found in other foods that may help prevent cancer. Together, these nutrients and chemicals may help prevent some cancers from developing or delay their growth. According to another study, the dietary flavonoid fisetin, which is present in cucumbers, may help prevent the spread of prostate cancer. Number 5. Cucumber water is a detox drink. The epidermis, lungs, liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system are just a few of our body's internal detoxification systems. Cucumber is well recognized for calming down an inflamed liver, aiding in its detoxification, and reversing harm from heavy metals and a bad diet. Detoxification can be helped or hindered by our food and surroundings. Lemon and cucumber are both known to assist the liver in its cleansing process. The kidneys and adrenal glands can help the body remove toxins with the help of cucumber. Number 6. Cucumber water is packed with nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories and abundant in nutrients. High concentrations of calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin C may be found in this fruit. Additionally, they contain respectable levels of iron, folate, vitamin K, and A. The fruit's flesh and juice both contain these micronutrients. Additionally, these juices and nutrients blend with water when added, giving you a revitalizing, health-improving beverage. Number 7. Cucumber water keeps you hydrated. Although it's common knowledge that getting enough water is essential for your good health, drinking ordinary tap water all day long quickly becomes monotonous. Drinking your recommended 6 to 8 glasses of water before going to bed is made simpler by your flavorful infused water drinks. Cucumbers also contain a lot of water, about 95%. When you are properly hydrated, you'll be astonished by how energized you feel. Number 8. Cucumber water promotes skin health. The best way to maintain beautiful skin is to stay hydrated, but antioxidants and silica in cucumbers can also keep skin clean and minimize breakouts. When you wash your face with cucumber-infused water, or immediately apply the cold cucumbers from your glass to any areas of redness or irritation, the pantothenic acid or vitamin B5 in cucumbers may also help to reduce acne. The aforementioned vitamin K is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Number 9. Cucumber water is safe for various diets. Cucumber water is an excellent flavored drink that goes well with special diets an individual may have. Keto diets, gluten-free diets, and vegan diets are the diets that cucumber water can be included. It's quite possible that you can drink glasses of water with cucumber slices in them if you have any strict dietary restrictions, making cucumber water a very safe flavored drink. Number 10. Cucumber water provides antioxidants. Cucumbers include a number of micronutrients that have antioxidant properties, including vitamin C, carotenoids, and natural plant flavonoids. Antioxidants are crucial substances that actively stop or postpone the harm caused by oxidative stress brought on by free radicals. Antioxidants are known to postpone the onset of chronic illnesses linked to unhealthful aging because they stop active stress. Number 11. Cucumber water lowers blood pressure. Having a diet that is too rich in sodium and too low in potassium might result in high blood pressure. Your body begins to retain fluids as a result of the extra salt, which increases blood pressure. An electrolyte called potassium aids in controlling how much sodium is taken in by the kidneys. Number 12. Cucumber water may help support bowel movement. Cucumbers are full of water and help you keep hydrated. Drinking enough water can help maintain regularity, reduce constipation, and improve stool consistency. Cucumbers also contain fiber, which aids in controlling bowel motion. Furthermore, pectin, a soluble fiber type found in cucumbers, helps with bowel movement frequency. Number 13. Cucumber water has the potential to support brain health. Your brain power could be improved by cucumbers. Fisetin, as I've mentioned before, is a flavanol found in cucumbers. Research on lab rats have demonstrated in trials to prevent memory loss and learning deficiencies in aged rats, including those predisposed to Alzheimer's disease. For a conclusive answer, further research is required, although the mere potential is a good reason in and of itself. Well, that concludes today's video on the reasons why you should start drinking water infused with cucumbers. Be reminded that this video is primarily for information, and we do not claim to provide medical advice that is tailor-suited to your needs. Also be reminded to consult with a medical professional and a personalized nutritionist to get the healthcare that will fit you. Additionally, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later and thank you for watching.